Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a countdown widget in Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Widgetable, or of course, in the last case scenario, you can go and join as a guest. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have three tabs here, as you can see. We have the Explore tab, we have the Wallpaper tab, where we have a lot of wallpapers, and the More tab, where you can see everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a countdown widget in Widgetable. So what you need to do guys is go and when you're in the featured screen, so be in the featured screen because you have the lock screen, lab, everything here, but let's be in the featured screen. Scroll down until you go and find the countdown. So basically scroll. It'll take maybe a few seconds until you find the countdown widget. Just a second. So here it is. We have the countdown widget. Click on the countdown widget. Here you can go and add a text, target a date, put another background, put another font, put another border, whatever you want, and just click on the save button and it will be of course saved. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.